here, weekly week look. Today is Saturday 15th July, market closed. Looking at the November contract 2017, and we start with a yearly plan that we've had in place here. We identify the key level, swing level of 152, and this is what we've been watching for. Let's pop down and see the yearly chart, and you can see this is the yearly chart. We've been watching the 60 SMA 144.02. We closed 149, so well above that, broken through that. Just put our big level here, 152. We can see now that this candle, monthly candle, has broken through this and then fallen back, closed 149. Swing high here, last swing high on this chart here was back in 2014, and that was 150, and we just closed below that. But still a positive chart. We've broken through a major SMA 60 we've been watching for the last 3 years. Things are changing. Let's have a look and go down to the monthly. You can see here clearly this trend is in place, been chugging along nicely since May of last year. See this candle, stellar candle, June, July, we've seen a high of 154.50, close 149, just above the candle of June. Let's pop down into the weekly. We can see here, cast your eye, nice upwards trend. See this market accelerating away here, getting support here. We can see this big round candle here, an outside weekly candle. We've covered all of the first week of July, and we're closing down here at 149. Pop down into the all-important daily. Drawn this big level here, 152. We identified on the yearly. We can see here that we had 2 days above it. Third day we came down and closed dead on 152, and then we gapped down through 152, leaving this gap here, and we then came down to a low of 148, which is precisely the high of the gap on the way up here that was left at the end of June. So what we've got now is we've got a sort of pattern of consolidation. We've got a gap above here, and we've got a gap below. Trend is still in place, nothing to worry about there. Probably the market got a little bit revved up, overdone. We broke through the 152 level. We've now come down below it, tested it. What I can see now is probably sort of backfill, make up in time between these two gaps here. Support comes right down here. We identified back down here at 38, 39, so even at 140, so is well, £9 away from where the market is at the moment. I would expect to see next week, I say, just probably probing within this range here, sort of may even come back to 46, but may even go back up to test 156, sort of within a sort of £10 range around this level, until it decides whether we want to continue on or we gap fill here and it breaks back above the 152 level. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks.